let me tell you something wild. I legit thought AI marketing tools were just glorified autocomplete until one literally wrote my entire email campaign in 60 seconds and outperformed my last 10 drafts combined. Hey, what's up, fam? It's your favorite sleep-deprived content creator / accidental tech nerd. And let me be real with you. If you're a marketer drowning in spreadsheets, Zoom calls, and ad copy that gets less engagement than a DMV receipt, we are living the same nightmare. So yeah, when I stumbled into the world of AI-powered marketing tools, it was like finding a cheat code for adulting. But not all heroes wear capes. Some just have really good YQI passwords. You ever feel like your job is just copy-pasting the same landing page over and over again while muttering, please convert, like some kind of caffeine-fueled witch doctor? And then you realize your conversion rate is lower than my confidence after trying to do TikTok dances. I mean, seriously, writing SEO-optimized blogs, managing social accounts, doing customer research, and creating ads without breaking down crying at 3 a.m. Total myth until now. After about my 12th coffee and third existential crisis this week, I stumbled onto this article titled, "The 5 Best AI Marketing Tools for Speed and Automation in 2025. Spoiler, it changed everything. Like, imagine if your nagging mom and your genius roommate fused into one productivity beast. That's basically this list. And no, I'm not paid to say this. I'm just weirdly excited about stuff that writes emails for me now. Let me walk you through my chaotic testing process. I started with Fellow, the AI meeting assistant. Okay, so I told my team I'd auto-join our next Zoom call with an AI note taker. Half expected it to start rapping or summon Skynet. Instead, it quietly took notes, transcribed the whole thing, and even suggested action items like, what? Then I tried Jasper for copywriting, broke it out during a midnight panic session when I had 0 ideas and a deadline faster than my heartbeat. I typed, write a viral script intro, and boom, instant draft. Was it perfect? Number. Was it better than what I could have written after 6 hours of staring at a blinking cursor? Absolutely yes. Worst fail, tried Surfer SEO on a Saturday night because I thought it would magically make me appear on Google's front page. Turns out AI still can't fix my dating profile or my keyword strategy. All right, let's dive into these 5 AI tools like we're scrolling through Amazon reviews for our Sanity Saver tech of 2025. These aren't just apps. They're basically your new sidekicks when you're running low on caffeine and high on deadlines. And trust me, after staring at a blinking cursor until 3 a.m., wondering if I even like adjectives anymore, I'll take all the help I can get. Starting off strong, Fellow, the AI meeting assistant. That's basically your dream coworker who never zones out during Zoom calls. I mean, imagine this. You're in a meeting trying to brainstorm campaign ideas, but you also have to take notes, remember action items, and pretend to be engaged while secretly Googling why the conversion rate dropped again. Enter Fellow. It auto-joins your meetings, records them, summarizes the key points, and even creates transcripts in over 90 languages. Like what? It feels like hiring a personal assistant without having to offer dental benefits, and it integrates with Asana, Jira, Notion, Slack, basically every tool marketers live inside of. And maybe best of all, it lets you pause or resume recordings, redact sensitive moments, and even cut clips to share highlights later. Total bonus. It connects marketing to sales and customer success teams so we can finally stop playing email tag with what did they say again. Next up is Jasper, the AI copywriting wizard that somehow knows how to match your brand voice better than your barista remembers your coffee order. If you've ever tried writing ad copy while sleep deprived, you know the struggle is real. Jasper swoops in like MacGyver with a thesaurus and saves the day. Just type in a prompt like write a funny script intro and boom, instant draft. Yeah, it's not perfect every time, but It beats staring at a blank page asking yourself, why is my brain suddenly speaking Latin? The Chrome extension alone is worth its weight in gold because it lets you write directly in platforms like Google Docs, LinkedIn, and social media. No copy pasting needed. Plus, it's got templates for blogs, emails, ads, product descriptions. Honestly, it's like having a full creative team in one app minus the office small talk. And yes, sometimes it goes full Pixar and gives emotional arcs to your CTA, which is cute but not exactly necessary. Still total win. Then there's Blaze AI, the content creation beast that hits faster than a viral meme. Literally, or you can generate landing pages, blog intros, email blasts, and more in seconds. But here's the kicker. Blaze doesn't just throw random words together, it actually learns your brand tone, audience preferences, and even optimizes for keywords. Imagine waking up in the morning, sipping your matcha latte, and watching AI craft your next newsletter before you finish breakfast. Yep, that's Blaze. Want to make sure your brand voice stays consistent across everything? Set it once and Blaze will keep your tone locked down like a bouncer at an exclusive party. And if you're feeling wild, you can tweak the tone to be professional, playful, edgy, or whatever vibe your brand rolls with. Best part, even when the AI gets a little too enthusiastic and writes something like hack reality for free, you can still laugh, edit, and use it as a weirdly effective A or B test. Now moving on to the SEO guru of the group, Surfer SEO. If you've ever stared at Google Analytics praying for a miracle, or worse, tried to figure out what the heck a content score means, Surfer is about to become your new BFF. This thing analyzes search engine results pages, SERPs, tells you the exact keywords to target, and gives you a content score based on how optimized your article is. Think of it like Grammarly, but for SEO. And honestly, half the time I don't even know what makes a good keyword strategy. Like I'm just throwing stuff at the wall and hoping it sticks. Surfer takes the guesswork out. Plus, it integrates with Jasper and Google Docs, so you can optimize your content right from your favorite writing spot. Just make sure to give it a few minutes to do its thing, because unlike some tools, Surfer actually makes you feel smarter every time you use it. And finally, rounding things out is HubSpot AI, the Swiss Army knife of CRM tools. Look, if you're already using HubSpot for your customer relationship management, you might not realize just how much AI power is hiding in plain sight. From smart email personalization to predictive analytics that tell you which leads are most likely to convert, HubSpot AI is like the psychic friend who always knows what you're going to say next. Need real-time insights on campaign performance? Boom. Want automated content suggestions based on user behavior? Double boom. It even helps with mapping the customer journey and optimizing your funnel without making you pull your hair out. And yes, it's pricey, book starting at $800 per month. But if you're living in your CRM anyway, this is like upgrading from economy class to business with free snacks and legroom. Worth it. So yeah, each of these tools bring something different to the table. Whether it's speed, smarts, SEO magic, or pure creative firepower. They're not perfect, but hey, neither are we. And that's kind of the point. They're meant to augment your skills, not replace them. So go ahead and let AI handle the boring stuff. You've got memes to make, campaigns to crush, and a life to live. Okay, real talk. These tools are insanely useful, but they ain't perfect. The good? They save so much time, like I actually got to watch Netflix without guilt this weekend. What even is this life? The bad? Some interfaces are kind of clunky. Like, why does this menu look like it was designed by someone who missed the 2010s completely? The hilarious? There was one tool that gave me a summary that said, your audience wants authenticity. Cool, so I should stop pretending I know how APIs work. Thanks, Captain Obvious. Would I bet my Wi-Fi password on these tools? 1000% yes. Are they worth it? If you value your time, creativity, and mental health more than free trial extensions, then absolutely, they're not just tools. They're like hiring a tiny army of marketing minions that never ask for PTO. If you've ever rage-clicked publish on a blog post you half wrote at 2 a.m. and prayed to Google, smash that subscribe button now. Next video, we're diving into the craziest AI app I found, and yes, it might actually slay dragons, or at least write killer LinkedIn bios. Until then, peace out. And remember, you're not lazy, you're just optimizing for efficiency. See ya.